You don't have to fall from grace. Put down the weapons you fight with and kill them with kindness.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today's look is gonna be on this look that I'm gonna be recreating from another makeup artist. So if you guys want to see how I recreated this look, then just keep on watching. So as you can see, I already started with this eye, and yeah, this is how it turned out to be. So yeah, let's get started. Well, one thing, I am trying something different. I usually set my eyelids with the translucent powder. So this time I'm not going to be setting my eyelids. I've seen this from Daisy Marquez. I don't know if you guys follow her, but yeah, I love her. Yes. For my transition shade, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the Modern Renaissance. I don't even know how to say that word, so y'all know what I mean. Let me zoom in for you guys. But I'm going to be using the burnt orange. It's going to be this one. Y'all can see my big forehead. Okay. So with that burnt orange shade, I'm going to be using my Morphe E27 and just blending it all around. Okay. Then I'm going to be going in with Real Gar. So it's going to be this one right here. Sorry, my crusty nails. So we're going to be using the same brush for this color. And this is going to be all over our eyelid as well. So just blend it all up. Okay. So then with the same palette, I'm going to be going into Love Letter. And we're going to grab a little bit with my, this brush is the Mikasa E200. You can see it, but it's like a angled fluffy brush. So I just like how you could go in with a little bit in the corners with this one. Oh my god, this looks so bad. But it's not gonna be bad, I promise. Then you start blending it up. Then with the brush that I used before, I'm going to be going in and blending all that out. Okay, so this is all blended out. Yes, okay. Then I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium as always. I'm going to be using a small flat brush. Hopefully you guys can see this. And I'm going to start off from here all the way to the middle. Like go on there and then just blend it out. Then I'm going to grab an eyeshadow from ColourPop, and this is in the shade Tangerines. It's a cute baby blue eyeshadow. This is Tangerines. And it is a shimmer shade. So, yeah. But make sure to wet your brushes first. I'm going to be using my MAC Prep and Prime setting spray. So it's these ones. it's a really pretty color, as you guys can see. Then I'm going to go into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, as you guys can see here. And I'm going to be using a small blending brush. We're going to be using this purple eyeshadow here. And of course, add some setting spray. And we're going to be adding this one to the outer corner and inner corner of our eyelid. And also we're going to be adding it to the top of the eyeshadow, like right here. Creating like an outline of that blue eyeshadow. And it's gonna look really weird, but once you blend it all out, it's gonna look bomb. So blend it out. I'm gonna be using the same one to blend it out because it's easier and it won't get the eyeshadow all over the place. Then going back to our pink eyeshadow from the Anastasia palette, the Love Letter eyeshadow, we're going to be going back in with that, with just a little bit, and just blending it with the purple eyeshadow. And just keep blending until you feel that your eyeshadows are well blended out and that there's no harsh lines on the corners or anywhere. And you could be adding more eyeshadow, so if you would like to make it more intense with the purple, then go ahead, do you boo. But I will add a little bit more of the baby blue eyeshadow. Ooh, my face is like... Alright. But anyways, oh, it's not... My bad, guys. It's called Tiny Tangerines. But I said it half right, okay? Well, it's Tiny Tangerines. I'm going to be adding a little bit more of that to my lid because I like it more popping. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to be adding the pink, the purple, and Tiny Tangerines. I'm going to be adding some white eyeliner to this look, and I'm going to be using the Nabi white liner. You guys can see it well. Okay, it didn't turn out white because I have some blue eyeshadow that fell here. So it turned out turquoise, kind of like the baby blue color. It's not even baby blue color. Bleh. It's not even baby blue color. It's turquoise color. Where did I get baby blue from? My eyes got watery. So I'm going to be adding some falsies and doing my rest of my face, and I'll be right back. So this lipstick that I used is the Bang Beauty in the shade Spice, and it's a lip gloss. And I also mixed it with the MDMFlow. And this is in the shade Retro, and these two I received them from an Ipsy bag like a while back. I'm not really a big fan of lip glosses, but this one feels so good. Well, this one's an actual color one, and this is a pink shade lip gloss, and it's super cute. Like, it doesn't really feel anything. Cause you see, the reason I don't like lip glosses is because like
they feel so nasty on me. Like, I don't know. I don't like
lip glosses. Like, and then somehow like weird smell. But anyways, I like this one. This one's like not my favorite.
Like, oh my god, bomb.
But I could wear this. Like, this is like something I could wear. And the lashes are from Vegas Nay, and these are the Shining Star. I always use this all the time. But anyways, for my highlight, I'm going to be using the Becca one. Becca highlight. So it's going to be in this one. And I'm going to be using this brush. I also received from my Ips bag. I love it. It's so cute. It is the Slimmest Glam L36. So.
Hello. Yes, yes.
And sorry you guys can hear any stuff going on in the background. I wish I could tell everybody to be quiet, but I can't. As you guys can see, I never brush my hair. I just like do it like this. So this is what the look came out to be, guys. Like, let me zoom in, guys. Let me hold it. So this is the look. I love this look. It's super cute. Okay, well that ends my video for today, guys. I hope you guys like this recreation of this look, and I will have the picture on Instagram, so make sure to go like it after you finish watching this video. Yes, I will tag the person that I got inspired by or try to recreate her look as well, so you guys can check her out too. And thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, and don't forget to share and comment, and be subscribed if you're new. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Kill 'em with kindness. Go ahead.